man.
What happened?
You just farted in my face, man.
Yeah, it's coneheads.
I said you just farted in my face, man.
Did you fart? Wasn't me.
Man, you just saying fart in my motherfucking face, man.
No.
Oh, fuck how big you big. Big as a big bitch ass on, man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you know what the fuck I'm talking about.
No.
You at least say excuse me with your nasty ass, man.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Man, get the fuck on, man. But then you look my fuck on dick, man. Fuck how big you was on that, dude.
Coneheads. So you learn about rocks here?
I beg your pardon?
So you can learn about the rocks here? Is that what the floor is?
This has nothing to do with rocks.
What is it?
It's genealogy.
Oh.
Not geology, genealogy.
Whoa. Like the whole floor just on genies? Whoa. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm looking for a book. I found it. It's coneheads.
Get the fuck out of here, man, because you farting.
Oh.
I'm not hold up.
For farting?
Huh?
You don't
Farting, yes.
You don't fart?
Get the fuck out of here, man.
I'm not able to.
What happened?
You were standing right behind the man and fart and didn't take the book and clean it.
Oh, I knew it was just... No, just natural.
Rude, disrespectful the man.
I was looking at coneheads.
Okay, take that down.
Oh my god. Oh, you burped, so I was like, I thought you were doing like a one-upper. Oh. Well, yeah, because you burped, so I thought we were doing like one-upping.
No, nigga.
Ah.
Oh, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! Come on, take it. Where you going?
Oh, Jesus.
Don't drop it over there.